Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Khao Piak noodle with a mochi machine in a kneading technique that you don't want to tell anybody who eats it. Please subscribe, like, and share. For this recipe, I use 1 bag of rice flour and 1 bag of tapioca starch. The flour I'm using here is a little bit bigger. 1 bag is 500 grams or 17.6 ounces. Mix the flour together. Add 4.5 cups of boiling water. Add a small amount of water at a time so the flour mixes well. If you use the 16-ounce bags, use only 4 cups of boiling water should be good enough. Transfer the mixed flour into a mochi machine. Click Menu and set to Pound and click Start. Let it run until flour turns to a ball, then it is ready. It is about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, if you don't have a mochi machine or mixer, you can transfer the mixed flour into a couple clean cloths. Wrap with a couple plastic bags and let your feet do the kneading. Knead 10 to 15 minutes and it should be ready. It works pretty good and you don't have to use too much arm strength. Anyway, don't tell anybody how you knead these noodles. If you are ready to cook these noodles right away and have this machine, you can just squeeze the noodles straight into the cooking pot. Make sure you press the dough tight into the machine or the noodle will come out breaking. Anyway, it is hard for me to make noodles this way for use later without them sticking together, so I'm going back to the old way. Keep your dough covered. It is easier to roll noodle sheet with dough moist and warm. Cut noodle sheets to any size you like. You can keep these noodles in the refrigerator up to a week. To make the broth, I use fresh chicken. Add some shrimp, salt, and fish sauce. I don't like the noodle soup too thick, so I blanch the noodle first before cooking in chicken broth. Wait for the noodles to boil, then it is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.